In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and run polls in Google Slides. This is a fantastic way to engage your audience during presentations, whether you're teaching, conducting a meeting, or organizing a collaborative session. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a simple and effective method to create dynamic, interactive content using Google Slides. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. If you're not already familiar, you can easily do this by typing Google Slides into your search engine and clicking the appropriate link, or directly entering the URL in your browser's address bar. Once you've arrived at the Google Slides homepage, the next step is to sign in. Use your Google account credentials to do this. If you're not already signed in, you'll see a prompt that asks for your email address and password. Enter these details and you'll gain access to your Google Workspace. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here you have the option to either start a new presentation or open an existing one. For this demonstration, we'll be starting from scratch, so click on the blank presentation option. If you prefer, you can also select one of the templates available to you. They offer various design themes that can complement the content of your presentation, but a blank presentation will give us the most flexibility to create a customized poll feature. Once your presentation is ready, we'll need to install an extension that will make the process of running polls easier and more efficient. To do this, look towards the top menu and click on the Extensions tab. From here, you should see an option labeled Add-ons. This is where we'll find the necessary tool, which in this case is Pear Deck for Google Slides. Pear Deck is an add-on that allows for greater interactivity during your presentations. To install it, simply click on Pear Deck for Google Slides add-on. If you haven't yet installed it, you'll be walked through a few simple installation steps. Once completed, navigate back to the Extensions tab and open the Pear Deck add-on you just set up. With Pear Deck open, you should now see a new sidebar on your screen. This is where you'll create your poll. Click on the poll button and you'll find a straightforward interface that lets you craft questions with ease. Input your question and response options and you're ready to engage your audience with a live poll during your presentation. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to incorporate interactive polls in Google Slides, adding an engaging element to your presentations. With the help of Pear Deck, these interactive features can transform a simple slideshow into a powerful tool for audience participation and feedback. Enjoy your new interactive presentation capabilities, and happy presenting!